Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi coleslaw. First, thinly shred 1 medium head of green cabbage. Place the shredded cabbage into a large bowl. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt over the cabbage, then use your hands to thoroughly mix it in. Allow the salted cabbage to rest for about 15 minutes. This step helps to draw out excess moisture, ensuring your coleslaw remains delightfully crisp and flavorful. While your cabbage is resting, prepare the other vegetables. Finely chop 1 cup of your favorite kimchi, ensuring small, manageable pieces. Next, shred 1 large carrot and thinly slice half a red onion. After 15 minutes, rinse the salted cabbage under cold water and squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This prevents your coleslaw from becoming watery. Now, let's create the vibrant dressing. In a separate small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Stir in 1 tablespoon of gochujang, which adds a wonderful spicy kick, and 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil for depth. Finish by whisking in 1 teaspoon of sugar and a small pinch of black pepper until everything is smooth and well combined. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add the rinsed cabbage, chopped kimchi, shredded carrot, and sliced red onion to a large mixing bowl. Pour the prepared dressing evenly over all the vegetables. Gently toss everything until every piece is thoroughly coated with the delicious dressing. For the best flavor, chill your kimchi coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.